What's the keyboard shortcut for MS Word's autocorrect options menu? I'm looking for the keyboard shortcut to open the autocorrect options menu. I'm using that name since it's what the tooltip shows. That's added when it makes corrections. When MS Word, I'm using version 2013, it makes a change with the autocorrect feature. It adds a small underscore icon. Is there an official name for it? When I move the cursor near the corrected word. For example, if I start a sentence without a capital letter, i.e. I type simply, Word will automatically correct that to simply, and when I move back to the place that was corrected, a small line will show below the "si" part. With the mouse I can hover it and show a button. That when clicked will show a menu with actions I can take on that correction. What I'm looking for is a way to open this menu without having to use the mouse. The next best thing would be to revert that change other than Ctrl+Z, since that will undo typing. Do something with it before undoing the auto capitalization.
These context-dependent icons with menu were originally introduced as smart tags. They were programmable and they came with keyboard shortcut. Alt+Shift+F10 for opening their menu. Although the technology was deprecated, the core look and keyboard shortcut remained the same, although official keyboard shortcuts list now quotes it as display a menu or message for an available action. Alt+Shift+F10.
Check the Windows